Hello viewers. In this video, we will go through some important benefits of salmon fish. Salmon is one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. This popular fatty fish is not only loaded with nutrients but also may reduce certain risk factors for several diseases. Salmon is particularly high in selenium, an important nutrient that is involved in DNA synthesis, thyroid hormone metabolism, and reproductive health. It's also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, a type of heart-healthy fat that can decrease inflammation and support brain health. What's more, salmon is rich in vitamin B12, which is necessary for producing red blood cells and regulating the health of the central nervous system. Here are some important health benefits of salmon fish. 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is rich in long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease risk factors for disease. 2. Great source of protein. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein. Your body needs protein to heal after injury, protect bone health, and prevent muscle loss, among other things. Salmon provides 22 to 25 grams of protein per 3.5 ounce or 100 gram serving. 3. High in B vitamins. Salmon is an excellent source of several B vitamins, which your body needs for producing energy, controlling inflammation, and protecting heart and brain health. Good source of potassium. Salmon is quite high in potassium. Potassium helps manage your blood pressure and may also reduce the risk of stroke. 5. Loaded with selenium. Selenium, which is a mineral found in soil and certain foods, including salmon. It may support bone health, improve thyroid function, and protect against certain types of cancer. 6. Contains astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is an antioxidant found in salmon that may benefit heart, brain, nervous system, and skin health. 7. May reduce the risk of heart disease. Consuming salmon can help protect against heart disease by increasing levels of omega-3 fats, decreasing levels of omega-6 fats, and lowering triglycerides. 8. May benefit weight management. Consuming salmon may help you manage your weight by reducing your appetite, temporarily boosting your metabolism, and decreasing belly fat. 9. Can help prevent inflammation. Salmon and other fatty fish can help lower inflammation, which may reduce risk factors for several diseases and improve symptoms in people with inflammatory conditions. 10. May protect brain health. Frequent salmon consumption may help protect fetal brain health in pregnancy, preserve brain function, and decrease the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video.